Hi, my name is Nani Perez Uribe, and I am the Supervisor of Student Services and Advising for the College of Engineering at the University of South Alabama. Today I'd like to discuss what engineering is and what degrees we offer at the undergraduate level. So what is engineering? Many students have the misconception that a mechanical engineer, for example, works on cars. The reality is that mechanical engineers are the creators of engines. They design newer and more efficient models. This, of course, doesn't mean you can't work on car engines if you have a passion for it. Engineering is the application of science and mathematics to design new devices, materials, processes, and systems to make our lives better. Here at South, we offer Bachelor of Science degrees in chemical, civil, computer, electrical, and mechanical engineering. If you're interested in going to medical school, we have pre-med tracks in our chemical and electrical engineering degrees and a biomedical concentration in our mechanical engineering program. In our civil engineering program, students can select to concentrate their interests in coastal, environmental, geotechnical, structural, or transportation engineering. In our computer engineering program, students can concentrate in hardware or software engineering. And in our mechanical engineering program, students can select to study in the aerospace or biomedical engineering concentrations. Additionally, we offer graduate degrees in chemical, civil, electrical, and mechanical engineering, as well as a master's and a PhD in systems engineering. So what is chemical engineering? Chemical engineers design chemical plants, its equipment, and devise processes for manufacturing chemicals and products such as gasoline, synthetic rubber, plastics, detergents, paper, pharmaceuticals, and more. Here you see some of our students working in one of the departmental labs. They can pursue careers in research, design and development, production, technical sales, and management. South also offers an undergraduate degree in civil engineering. Subdisciplines of civil engineering include structural, transportation, environmental, construction, coastal, geotechnical, and water resources. Civil engineers can work in the public or private sector. Some examples of working in the public sector are working for the city or the county, state departments of transportation, water and wastewater utilities, and federal agencies. Some private sector careers are in the form of small to large consulting companies providing engineering designs and construction services. Many of the projects civil engineers are involved in impact our environment and daily lives. Here are some pictures of our civil labs. The top right is a driving simulator for transportation studies, and the other two show a large tidal basin and an 85-foot wave flume, both part of our coastal engineering studies program. Computer engineering revolves around computers, embedded systems, robotics, and more. Computer engineers are employed by companies that design and build networks, computer security systems, autonomous vehicle systems, smart devices, and robotics. The difference between computer engineering and computer science is computer engineers focus more on electronics and hardware design of complex computer systems, while computer science focuses more on complex software systems. There is overlap, but let's talk about a cell phone, for example. Computer engineers design the processor, memory chips, and circuit board. The computer scientists write the operating system and create the applications that run the cell phone. Electrical engineers focus on electronics, control systems, communications, and power. They can be found in a wide variety of companies such as aerospace, shipbuilding, electrical, oil, automotive, and electronic companies. Think Google and Apple. They design and develop new electrical systems and test equipment that can be found in commercial, industrial, or domestic facilities. Electrical engineers work on computers, robots, cell phones, radars, navigation systems, and wiring and lighting of electrical systems. Mechanical engineering focuses on automotive, aerospace, energy production, biomedical systems, and more. As you can see, it's a very broad field of study. You can go in so many different directions. Mechanical engineers can be found designing and overseeing the manufacturing of products ranging from medical devices to new batteries, engine in cars to engines in airplanes and spacecraft designs. They also design power-producing machines such as generators, combustion engines, steam and gas turbines, as well as heating and cooling systems. Additionally, they design systems for buildings such as elevators and escalators. There are so many places you can end up with an engineering degree. Think about it. So many pieces of our daily lives revolve around a design by an engineer. The roads and bridges we drive on, the light switch we use to turn on and off power, and the clean water we use to wash our face or the food that we eat, and so forth. So why come to the University of South Alabama? In the College of Engineering, our student to faculty ratio is 24:1. We offer small classroom sizes, providing you the opportunity to get to know your teachers and classmates. By getting to know them, classmates turn into supportive study groups, and teachers can assist you with letters of recommendation for future job placement, undergraduate research opportunities, fellowships, and more. The College of Engineering is committed to academic success of our students. We provide tutoring, supplemental instruction outside of the classroom, computer lab access, study room access, and additional means of academic support throughout the university. Furthermore, we have research opportunities that we can offer to our undergraduate students. These opportunities are not always available at larger institutions. We have many internship and co-op opportunities as well. The Gulf Coast region is full of engineering firms familiar with the quality of our students. Additionally, many of these companies support our college in multiple ways due to their interest and investment in our programs and in turn, our students. I'd like to focus on internships and co-ops for a minute. The difference between an internship and a co-op is an internship is a part-time job while still attending classes. It can also be a full-time appointment for one semester. A cooperative education job is a rotation of work and school for about 3 semesters. Co-ops can postpone graduation, but both are opportunities the College of Engineering encourages its students to participate in. Additionally, internships and co-ops are paid working experiences. These paid experiences provide our students a chance to network with and work under engineering professionals, leading to possible full-time employment upon graduation. This list provides a snapshot of the companies who hire our students for both internships and co-ops, as well as hire students upon graduation. Lastly, the College of Engineering has some study abroad opportunities for anyone interested. Of course, you can take a general education course over the summer in another country, but if you're interested in taking engineering courses, we currently have agreements with 6 universities in Germany. Classes are taught in English, and these agreements are semester-long commitments, but the classes you take there transfer to South and will count towards your degree. Learning to work in an international environment is pretty important in the engineering field, as many of the companies you may be interested in working for are not American-owned. With the right advising and planning, a semester abroad would not postpone graduation. In fact, it would make you more desirable to employers. There are scholarships available to those interested in studying abroad. Once you've applied and been admitted to USA, there are many scholarships available to you. There are the admissions scholarships based on your ACT or SAT scores and high school GPA, as well as engineering scholarships. For more information regarding admissions scholarships, please contact the admissions office at 251-460-6141. Once you've received your JAG ID, you'll be able to apply for engineering scholarships. Please visit the Scholarship Universe through USA's scholarship website for more information. To apply to South, go to the admissions website for the University of South Alabama. The application is online and has a $35 application fee. You will want to submit your ACT or SAT scores along with your high school transcripts and any AP or IB scores. If you have dual enrollment credit, please submit those as well for full evaluation. I'd like to invite you to schedule a campus tour as well as a tour of Shelby Hall, the College of Engineering building seen in this picture. The College of Engineering welcomes tours Monday through Friday anytime between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Please schedule your tour in advance. You can fill out an inquiry Visit Us form by going to the College of Engineering website and selecting the Visit button, or you can use the link provided on this slide. Please fill out the form and be sure to check your email for a response in 24 to 48 hours. We'd love to have you visit our campus. Thank you for your time and attention today. And don't forget, go Jags!